In yesterday's daily message, I pointed out several reasons why it is very difficult to say that every word of the Bible, every word of the Old Testament in particular, is literally true. And so that leaves us with a question. Is the Old Testament and the Bible therefore just a bunch of made up stories? And the answer to that question is no. It's not just a bunch of made up stories. These stories were written for very specific purposes. And so our goal in our discussion over the next 3 Wednesdays, and which we started with last Wednesday, will be to examine the Old Testament from this point of view. We are not going to be asking the question first and foremost, did this actually happen? Because that's not the most important question to ask about the Old Testament. Rather, we're going to be attempting to answer the questions, when was this story written? For whom was this story written? And why was it written? In short, we're going to be examining the historical context of the stories in the Old Testament. And why are we doing that? We're doing that because when we understand the historical context of the stories, then we are better able to understand their meaning, their purpose for being written. And once we do that, we can begin to apply those meanings to our situation today. But until we do that, we're not really interpreting the Bible correctly. It's important to understand the questions. When was something written? For whom was it written? By whom was it written? And why was it written? So we will, over the next 3 Wednesdays, be looking at the question of the meaning of the Old Testament stories.